Hello my lovelies, last day, number 12, Sunday the 12th of December, so we've got window 12. Ooh, that was stiff. Actually, that's quite pleasant. Gingerbready smelling, I think, that one. We've got better. Okay then, so that's the last one lit for 12 days of Kitmas. Let's go and do our last page. Okay then, so yesterday, day 11, we did our paper bead Christmas tree and real glass bead Christmas tree. And today, now, I did forget to do the pick, but this was the last one in, and it was from David. Text on paper or fabric. So put some text on paper or fabric and use it on day 12. And today is vellum envelopes. That was my last thing to do, vellum envelopes. And I had the old Epsom out and printed. I'll take that out because that's just putting another tag in there because I've run out of space on the other pages. So we've got our vellum envelope already in, and then I've printed. Now, the Epsom does print on vellum, so if you haven't got any sort of printer that's you know, like an old printer, HP printer, that does accept other media apart from just paper, then that's fine. Make some paper envelopes with the kit, or you can use some patterned vellum like this piece we put in, and just put some collage from the kit on it. So you can adapt it if you don't. But anyway, I've done this. It was a right rigmarole. I had to cut it up, stick it up, bash it back down again to get this stag the right way round. So it's on. So we've got a pocket there, we've got a pocket there, and we have got the thumb hole there for the front of the stag. And then I cut in half. So printed. This is gorgeous. Look how gorgeous that's come on. So printed an A4 and turned them into that sort of coin envelopes, and they're just so pretty. And then what I have also done is, out of the bit of vellum, the printed vellum that was left, I've made some rounds so that we can keep these in place. Now, the trick really is to cut a paper in your hole punch as well. So not just the vellum, put some paper in to give it some heft, otherwise it gets all trapped inside. Yeah, I'm really liking those. So we'll just put those on. Got a bit of scrap of paper over here, and yeah, we'll just do the bottom half of that. Are we about in the middle? Yeah. So that goes on there, and then on this one I've got an entirely red one. I think we'll have red down that side, so I'm going to glue the bottom half of that, not the whole lot as I have done in the past. There we go. There we have our openings, and I'm just then going to put on there, let's get out our labels, and seeing as that's a snap, as I call it, a psychic snap, we've got the label gingerbread here, and I've just said, oh, that candle smells a little bit like gingerbread. So to me, that is the universe giving me look for today. And people might think that's silly, but I find it very much, it's what you call your gut instinct as well. So if you follow your gut, you're never far wrong, are you? And yeah, let's see. Might want a bit of something underneath that one. And what else have we got here? I'm going to have chestnuts, I think. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Yeah, all right then. That's all you're going to get. The girl's gone mad. There's enough upset at the moment with all the, you know, we're already going back into restrictions here, so you want a bit of light relief, a bit of a laugh at my singing. Right, do I want a bit of something behind that? I feel as if I do. Now then, what have we got here? Let's have that bit of a bird, I think. No, I don't want as much as that. Have we got anything that's just a bit of pattern? Sorry, leaning. I'm leaning. It's better. Okay. And I'm just gonna ink round that for a bit of colour. I'll get that on. Don't to cover too much of my lovely pattern up, do I? Okay, I'm going to put that down there. Got two more vellum. Do I want that on there? Yeah, I think so. It just sort of finishes that space off in the middle. There we go. Right, I just want some small tags now to go in there. Got my page of small tags. These out. It's very dark and dismal here today, so it's a definite crafting Sunday. And the only thing I've printed out again is the set of black and white, one label and one back page, and the vellum. The rest I've done from just the 3 kits printed out once. And in actual fact, you know, I could have just done it with one, but you've got to have choices. It's always nice in crafting to have choices, isn't it? Okay, now get my little doobie thingy, my slip punch. And we have 2 in there. And 2 in there. Those 2 are done. Yay. Okay then, so I'm going to put that journal card back in the back in there. I've got a spare one here in the back. What I've done here is I've just printed on, I've got a lovely stamp of Bethlehem and I've just finished that off. Happy holidays, then Maker's Mark in there. So one big tag there that I would like to put in, and one from earlier in the week when we did layered tags. That would go nice, I thought, in there. And then here we've put that big one in the back. We can put one there, and then we've got this other little pocket at the front with the thumb hole to put the other vellum in. Right, got to be a bit careful with it because it's delicate. Okay, so just put that in. Just got to be a bit careful, else you can easily rip it. It's a bit delicate. Okay, there. Now what I've put in for the text on paper is I've got another scrap. I've put some pearl bling on there and put thank you. So I'd just like to say a big thank you to everybody that supported us for the last 12 days of filming. And I'm just going to bring in what we've done and what kits we've used. So this was my plan for the 12 days of Kitmas for my design team project for Tracie Fox Creative for December. So day 1, secret tags. Day 2, we did window envelopes. Day 3, we did double tags. Day 4, altered paper clips. Day 5, the stamp card holder. Day 6, mini lunch bag ephemera holder with my very mini lunch bags. Clusters on day 7, a Patricia wallet on day 8. Day 9, use your scraps to collage some journal cards. 10 envelopes, coin envelopes or small envelopes. Yesterday, day 11, we did paper beads and also a bonus Christmas tree. On day 12 today, Vellum kit printed envelope. So that is 12 different craft ideas that I've given you there to get the most out of your printables. And so finally, I'm just going to go through the kits that were used, all from obviously from Tracie Fox Creative because it's my design team for her. Glad Tidings, Watercolour Christmas Ephemera, both those are brand new for 2021. And Creature Christmas Labels, which is one I bought last year. So hashtag 12 days of Kitmas, let me know what you've done. Put them under the hashtags so David and I can see what lovely things you've created. And let's close our wonderful thing, our wonderful folio in for my projects for Christmas 2021. Can't believe how quick it came round. So there it is, guys, done. So thank you so much for joining me. I'll be back in a couple of days just to give a full flip through. But just until then, I'd like to say a very, very big thank you from me. Oh, hello. Hello, baby. And a big thank you from Nelson. A big thank you from Nelson. Mwah.
Yeah.
Best boy. Oh, steady. And a big thank you from David.
Thank you.
So, take care out there.
Merry
Bye.
Christmas. Bye-bye now.
Merry Christmas.